Yeah. Guess who's back? It's Excellent Dreams here. And I'm going to turn this Gucci logo into rhinestones. So let's right click. Ungroup all objects. Let's get rid of that white in the inside. Let's get rid of this on the outside. There we have it. Our Gucci. Let's grab all of this. Change the color. Let's weld it together. And let's grab this blue, right? That's 12.9. I don't like it being 12.9. Let's size it up. Let's bring in our rulers on both sides. It's sized up pretty good. But actually, let's grab this Gucci. We're going to slide it over just a hair to this line right here. Now, what I want to do, let me just clean up this Gucci right here. You know, it's a couple of little spots in it where that looks good to me. How does it look to y'all? Does it look good to y'all? Now, what I want to do is, let's make a copy of this. And let's save it. We're going to save it as Gucci. Now, what I like to do is, because when I use stones, I like to use outlines. So let's make this a little smaller here. Let's go 11.1. That's great. Let's grab the Gucci logo. Come over here to our rhinestone wizard. And let's do a place and fill to the outside, one island, no stones. And let's do a 0.2 island fill. No, let's go bigger. Let's go 4.4. That's perfect. Let's change that to black. There we go. Let's grab our Gucci, move it up a little bit by holding down Control to keep it in alignment. Now, let's take our blue and chop it through the black. Hold down, select the blue, hold shift, select the black, and do the trim option. Now, as you can see, the blue is cut through the black. Let's save our design. Control S. Now, I want to put pink stones just because I'll be able to see them in my design. One island to the inside, add stones of 0.075. Let's go to our design. Matter of fact, let's get rid of all of this. Back there. Make the screen a little bigger for me. Alright, let's select our blue and do one island to the inside, add stones, 0.075 island fill. That's clear the paths and merge overlapping stones. Look at that. Just stone in the inside. So what we can do to make it a little more saucier is I'll grab this blue. I'll do an island to the inside of the blue. And what do we do? Let's try 0.2. 0.2 to the inside of that blue island fill. Perfect. Look at that. We can change that black. Haha. And let's chop through that blue. Select the black. Hold down shift. Select the blue. And trim it. Now what we have is the Gucci design doubled up with stones in the inside. I like that. Let's see what it looks like on the shirt, folks. Let's hit our mock-up, simulate stones, men's, single shirt only front, and left click. There we go. We have our Gucci design on a shirt. Let's move it down just a little bit. like to do is I like to get rid of all the rest of the extra stuff. And let's make this in the inside red. And let's make this red. And let's make the stones clear stones. So I clicked on the stone. I'm going to select this right here, which is find all of the same color selected. Click that. I want to change those to clear stones. And let's make the shirt a light gray. That. Gucci. Gucci. With the stones. And I'm out.